my dears, welcome to Anju's family. Today it's an old traditional recipe, Chukku paal. I got this recipe from my grandmother's mother through my mother. If you want to make it in small quantity, I have given it in tablespoon in the description box. You can make it in teaspoon so that you get a small quantity. This medicine not only gives us immunity but also it gives other health benefits, as we are adding black urad dhal, fenugreek, dried ginger, long pepper, that is tippili, and some rice. It gives the texture to the drink. And we are adding karupati. This is original karupati we got from Udangudi. So this gives calcium also. Grind it to a smooth paste, adding water. You will have to add 10 to 12 glasses of water for this quantity. So when the mixture gets cooked well, you will get 8 glasses of chukku paal. Make this medicine in a heavy bottomed vessel, stirring it continuously in medium flame or low flame. Here I am adding 1 bowl of karupati and 1 bowl of jaggery for sweetness. Extract of 1 bowl of coconut. When the mixture is cooked well, you will get this texture. You can taste it so that you will feel it's cooked. Now you can add the coconut milk, and when it boils, your perfect chukku paal is ready. Hope it's a useful recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.